All right, I don't know how to make this focus when it, like, do you know how to make it focus?
On video?
Yeah, when it's on video, it's kind of annoying.
I think the lighting's really shitty.
Okay. All right.
Guys, beer bottles.
What's that? Is that glass? No. Nice, thanks Jeff. Put it in the right spot. There we are.
Bring your powder.
Even Rainier pounders can be sorted correctly. You think they can do what they want, but they can't do what they want. However, Jeff's doing what he wants. Jeff, you're such a steward.
Let's try to be myself.
Oh my gosh. Another Rainier pounder. Tacos for the what?